Calvary, mutoro wezvivi zvangu. So this is for beginners. Transposed -1. Ndorasira Calvary, mutoro wezvivi. So this is 1. Ndorasira Calvary, 2, 1, 1, 5. Okay. So Ndorasira what I was doing. So I was playing with the octave again. So as I said, if you play well with octave, doesn't matter it's worship or it's praise, just play well with octaves. Okay, so by Ndorasira Calvary, Ndorasira Calvary, So when I'm on 2, so just make sure when you're on 2, tapping 2 when you're 1, tapping 1 when you're on 5, tap 5. Just like that.